Hello and welcome. I'm going to demonstrate the manual scheduling feature within our scheduling tool. So at the moment I'm looking at my scheduling board and I have a current plan that's in place that's been produced by the auto schedule. And it might be for your business case that the auto schedule doesn't fit very well, or you need to approach things differently rather than just following the auto schedule, which will work on due date. So to do that, the first thing we can do is remove everything on our current schedule by pressing clear schedule. So on the left hand side with the work order list, you'll now see this icon to schedule. So if this is the first one that I want to schedule, I can push that button and this creates a manual schedule for that particular works order. Now obviously there's nothing else in the system, so it's put these in completely sequentially with the buffer time between each of them. So on the work centers, let me just change this view to 12 hours. And it has a little bit of a strange schedule that it has a lot of sequential operations on one work center. So now we can start to make our changes. We can do that by using the drag and drop tools to move the schedule to exactly how we'd like this to be. So once we've made our changes, we'll update the plan. So if we're happy that we've scheduled that first works order correctly, if we go back to the work order list, we can now add the next work order that we choose. So let's just take this one and manually schedule it. So that's now been added. That has a schedule that fits amongst the currently scheduled work order. So if we go back to our work centers, and this will be the first work order that we scheduled, and the second one, okay, here's the second one that sits in amongst the current one. And again, we can make some manual changes to this schedule and just repeat that process so that you can schedule each works order on a manual basis in any sequence that you wish. So that's our feature to manually schedule work orders. Thank you.